If you're looking for the best hot glue gun, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, CC Better Upgraded Glue Gun. The CC Better Mini Hot Melt Gun is a durable model made from plastic and aluminum with a working power of 20 watts at a temperature of 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the perfect high temperature model for any DIY project and heats up in 3 to 5 minutes. It's easy to toggle the on-off switch, and the LED indicator light lets you know that the tool is heating up. It has a flexible support bracket so you can set it aside safely. The anti-hot cover ensures you don't burn yourself, and the high-quality nozzle can withstand heat so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. Plus, it comes with 30 glue sticks and is backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 2. Hot Glue Gun Koba's full-size 60-100 watt dual power high temperature heavy duty melt glue gun kit. The Koba's dual power hot glue gun is our choice for the best overall glue gun, thanks to its variable temperature settings and consistent performance. This full-size glue gun is versatile enough to handle tough jobs requiring high heat and more delicate applications where low heat is desired. The glue gun gives you the option to choose between 60 watt and 100 watt settings. It also has an LED light to let you know when the glue gun is on, minimizing the risk of burns. Users love the balanced feel of this glue gun in the hand, a major benefit when using it to complete projects with precision. It also receives consistent praise for its fast heating time of 1 to 3 minutes. Number 3. AdTech Pro 200 Full-Size High Output Hot Melt Glue Gun. The Adhesive Technologies full-size hot glue gun is an industrial-grade tool with an output of 3.5 pounds of glue per hour that's perfect for light industrial, commercial, and DIY applications. AdTech 0189 Pro 200 High Output Hot Melt Glue Gun is a professional-grade hot melt glue gun for light industrial, commercial, and DIY applications. It features a powerful 200-watt PTC heating system that heats up to an operating temperature of 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees centigrade in 3 minutes, and can output 3.5 pounds of glue per hour. Designed with a comfortable 4-finger trigger, durable high-quality shell, and sturdy base stand for long hours of use. Number 4. Pro 2 220 Surebonder Glue Gun. The Surebonder Pro 2 220 Industrial Glue Gun is a heavy-duty model offering 220 watts of heating power. Its stainless steel heater has an adjustable temperature control ranging from 220 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. The lighted on-off switch is easy to use, and a glue stroke adjustment screw ensures just the right amount of glue is released. With a detachable wire stand, 2 nozzles with heat-resistant nozzle covers, and a double insulated grounded cord, it's capable of handling hours of work per day. Surebonder Pro 2 220 is a premium model designed for professionals. It's the most expensive model on our list, but it was designed for heavy-duty use and can deliver up to 5 pounds of glue in an hour. Plus, the adjustable temperature feature is fantastic for individuals who work with a variety of materials. Number 5. Chandler Tool Mini Glue Gun. The Chandler Tool Mini Glue Gun is ideal for light-duty crafting projects when you don't want to break out the big guns, literally. This sleek mini glue gun is compact, easy to use, and boasts a truly professional quality despite its small size and low price point. The Chandler Tool Mini Glue Gun comes with a stand base, as well as a traditional stand, and can be used with a 16-inch adhesive glue stick. The product comes with a lifetime warranty and is popular among online users for its lightweight feel and effective capabilities. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.